Hey traders! Welcome back to Sam Trading Strategies, where we make trading simple, smart, and successful for everyone. In today's video, I'm going to share with you one of the most powerful and easy-to-use 1-minute pocket option binary trading strategies that I've personally tested. It's beginner-friendly, works well for pros, and needs only 2 indicators: super trend and Bollinger Bands. That's it. No messy charts or confusing setups. This strategy can boost your trading confidence and help you make smarter decisions, even if you're just starting out. And yes, I'll show you the exact settings for both indicators later in the video. So make sure you watch till the end to not miss any details. But before we go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on new trading tips and strategies we share every week. Quick disclaimer: binary options trading involves financial risk. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Always trade responsibly and never risk money you can't afford to lose. Now let's quickly go over the strategy rules so you're ready to trade like a pro. Sell trade setup. When the price touches the upper Bollinger Band and the super trend shows a red line above the price, take a 1-minute sell trade. Buy trade setup. When the price touches the lower Bollinger Band and the super trend shows a green line below the price, take a 1-minute buy trade. Use 30-second candles and set your trade expiry to 1 minute. Best times to trade: European session and New York session. Avoid trading during major news events. Price can become unpredictable. Risk management tips: trade with a calm mind, no emotions. Risk only 1% to 5% of your capital per trade. Never risk more than 10% of your total balance. Start with a demo account to practice. Backtest the strategy to build confidence. Also, don't forget to check the video description for full indicator setup, bonus tips, and helpful resources to level up your trading. Ready to watch this strategy in live action? Let's jump into a real trade example and see how it performs in the market. Let's go. As you can see on the screen, the price had touched the lower Bollinger Band, and then it made a sharp move all the way to the upper band, showing strong bullish momentum. Even though our original strategy says not to take a trade when the price touches the upper Bollinger Band, I still took a buy trade here. Why? Because sometimes price action speaks louder than indicators. The super trend green line is clearly supporting from below, and the candles are showing strong upward force, which signals a potential breakout or continuation of this uptrend. Remember, no strategy works 100% of the time. As traders, it's important to develop the skill of reading the market's behavior along with following rules. In this case, I trusted the momentum and market structure. Let's wait and see if this buy trade closes in profit. And there it is. We won this trade. Just look at that strong upward move. The price continued its bullish rally exactly as expected, and our buy trade closed in profit. This is a perfect example of how understanding market behavior and momentum can sometimes give you an extra edge, even when the setup goes slightly beyond the basic strategy rules. Stick around, because up next, I'll show you another live trade example using this exact strategy. Let's see if we can grab another winning setup. This time, I've taken a sell trade. Let's break down why. As you can see on the screen, the price touched the upper Bollinger Band, showing potential resistance. The super trend red line has formed above the price, confirming bearish pressure, and we've got a clear series of red candles, indicating that the market is starting to reverse or pull back from the top. According to our strategy rules, when the price touches the upper Bollinger Band and the super trend shows a red line above the price, it's a signal to take a 1-minute sell trade. So we followed the rules and placed the trade confidently. This setup looks clean, and the confirmation from both indicators makes this trade high probability. Now, let's wait and watch how this trade plays out. Fingers crossed. And yes, another win. Our sell trade closed in profit, exactly as we expected. After the price touched the upper Bollinger Band, we saw continuous red candles pushing the price downward, and the super trend red line stayed firmly above the price the whole time, confirming the downtrend. This is a great example of how well this strategy works when both indicators line up and the market gives us a clear direction. Now let's quickly go over the indicator settings, so you can set them up exactly like I did and start practicing this strategy right away. First, let's set up the Bollinger Bands, period, set to 10. This uses the last 10 candles to calculate the bands, giving faster signals for short-term trades. Deviation, set to 2. This defines the band width. A deviation of 2 helps us capture good market movements while avoiding unnecessary noise. Now for the Styles tab, and here's something important. We don't need the middle line, so make sure to uncheck it to keep your chart clean and focused on just the upper and lower bands. Next, the Super Trend Indicator settings. ATR period, set to 1. This makes the super trend line more responsive and quick to adapt to short-term moves. Multiplier, set to 1. With this setting, the signal line flips faster between buy, green, and sell, red, which is ideal for our 1-minute trade entries. These exact settings are optimized for 30-second candles with 1-minute expiry, perfect for high-speed binary trading. Once you've applied these settings, practice them on a demo account first. This will help you get used to spotting signals with more confidence. All right, traders, let's take a look at this next setup. Here, I've placed a buy trade. Let me explain why. As you can see on the chart, the price dropped sharply and touched the lower Bollinger Band, which often acts as a support zone. Right at that level, we started to see a strong bullish reversal with green candles forming back-to-back. The super trend green line has now appeared below the price, confirming a possible shift in trend to the upside. And that's exactly what we did. Entered the market based on this perfect signal combination. And yes, this time we lost the trade. But that's a part of trading. Even the best strategies don't guarantee 100% wins. And that's completely normal. What's important is we followed the rules. The setup looked strong. And we made a calculated decision, not an emotional one. Sometimes market conditions change suddenly, and trades don't go in our favor. But remember, this is why risk management is so important. So don't get discouraged by a loss. Instead, learn from it, stay consistent, and trust the process. Let's quickly recap today's strategy. We used Bollinger Bands, period 10, deviation 2. We used Super Trend, ATR period 1, multiplier 1. Trade setup, 30-second candles, 1-minute expiry. Buy when price touches lower Bollinger Band plus green super trend below. Sell when price touches upper Bollinger Band plus red super trend above. Final tips before you go. Always use a demo account to practice first. Stick to your rules, but also learn to read the market's momentum. Risk only what you can afford to lose. And most importantly, stay disciplined and consistent. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, comment your thoughts or questions below, subscribe to Sam Trading Strategies, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a new strategy. Also, check the video description for full indicator setup, bonus tips, and free trading resources to level up your skills. Thanks for watching. Stay focused, trade smart, and I'll see you in the next video.